Good day! We are the Samaang Nagkakaisang Manggagawa ng Hilalang-Alang ng Manila or SNM-HKM. I am Madeline Santos, Federation President, representing 5 unions from printing, electronics manufacturing, steel fabrication, healthcare, and construction. We advocate for the collective bargaining agreement or the CBA. It is an agreement between workers and employers on wages, benefits, and working conditions. Its purpose is to protect workers' rights. Its advantages include better pay, job security, and fewer conflicts. The process includes negotiation, agreement, and grievance handling.
I am Jerome Bonifacio, President of Riverside Printing Press Workers Union. We represent printing workers in Quezon City and we focus on fair wages and safe machine operation. Logo explains that printing shows an offshore scroller with ink and paper trace.
I am Mary Joy Cabacang, President of Thailand Electronics Assembly Workers Union in Caloocan. We advocate for proper breaks, ergonomic work, and pay overtime. For my logo, it shows a circuit board with a soldering tool and microchip.
I am Hazel V. Torres, President of the Metro Steel Fabrication Plant Workers Union. We push for hazard pay, safety gear, and protections in industrial work. For my logo, the steel shows the I-beam with welding sparks and helmet.
Alright, and I am Joelle Badilla, President of Metro Fair Hospital Support Staff Union. We fight for fair wages, health protection, and safe working conditions in hospitals. And for my explanation of my logo, healthcare shows a glove hand with the cleaning tools and medical cross.
I also represent San Isidro Construction Laborers Union, advocating for safe work sites, proper wages, and worker protection in construction projects. Now, for my logo, construction shows scaffolding with a pulley and hard hat.
And of course, we have mission and vision. So for the vision is, our vision is united and empowered workforce across all industries. And for the mission, our mission is to protect workers' rights through fair wages and safe workplace. Our federation logo shows 5 hands forming a girl with a map of Northern Metro Manila symbolizing unity. And together, we stand as one.